In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing emails in GoDaddy. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. Click on your profile and then select My Products. This section gives you access to the different services and tools you currently have available. After that, find and select Website. This will take you into the website management area where you can access the tools related to your site and online presence. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. From that menu, click on Marketing. Inside the Marketing section, click on Email Marketing. This is where GoDaddy allows you to create and manage promotional emails, announcements, newsletters, and other marketing messages for your audience. When the email marketing page opens, click Create New Email to begin setting up a new campaign. At this stage, GoDaddy gives you two ways to create your email. You can choose Create with Aero, which helps generate content with AI assistance, or you can choose Build Your Own if you want more control over the layout and wording. Select the option that works best for you. In this example, I'm selecting one of these options and continuing from there. Now you'll be taken into the email editor. This is the part where you enter the necessary details and customize everything. Add the main information your email needs, such as the subject and the content of the message, and then adjust the design to match your brand or the purpose of your campaign. Take your time here and review the layout carefully so the email looks clean, professional, and easy to read. As you customize, make sure the message is clear and focused. Keep your formatting simple, and preview your email if that option is available so you can catch any mistakes before sending. This helps make sure your final email looks good on different devices and is ready for your audience. Once everything is complete and you're happy with how it looks, click Send. That's it. Your marketing email will be ready to go out through GoDaddy. And that's how to create marketing emails in GoDaddy. Follow these steps carefully, customize your message thoughtfully, and you'll be able to create professional email campaigns directly from your account.